I'm David, and this is Guardian Gatekeeper. Today we're going to be installing a Nest unit. Okay, so one of the first steps is that you're going to take the template that's provided with the lock, and you're going to place it on your door, and then you're going to trace it out. So then you'll be ready to make that cut. I like using a jigsaw. Now you can use a handsaw, you can use whatever method you can to make this cut. Jigsaw is one of the best. I would take and cut my bottom lines first. Okay, so then you just slide the lock in place. Once you've got it in place, then you just put the screws in the back. Pilot drill hole in the back. You don't have to go very deep. It's just so that you don't split your wood. I would make a mark on the fence about where your deadbolt is going to be. So what I would do is I would take and mark right here. That's my center point. In the back, when you go to add your batteries to set your codes, there's a little key that comes with your Nest, and there's a hole on the top here. You're going to want to push the pin in to unlock it. So your Yale, your Nest lock has just been woken up. Touch this Yale button up here, enter your code, and then press the check button, and voila.